These types of reels are trending across all major social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these attention-grabbing videos yourself. Just a few weeks ago, I was in your position wondering how creators were making these viral shorts. After spending countless hours learning the techniques, I'm condensing everything into this quick tutorial that could potentially transform your content strategy. As you probably know, these videos can be monetized on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. But what about Instagram? Don't worry, I'll show you a special method at the end to monetize your Instagram Reels too. Before we dive in, take a second to hit subscribe and drop a comment below. I put a lot of effort into creating these tutorials, and I'd love to hear which method works best for you. I'm also selecting one lucky winner from the comments when we reach 200 to receive a free consultation on YouTube automation. Let's get started and turn you into a cross-platform content creator. Step 1. Generate image prompts using ChatGPT. Our first step is to generate prompts to create images for this video. We will go to ChatGPT and paste a specific prompt. You will get all the prompts I'm using in a PDF file in the link given below in the description. When I paste this prompt, picture Ronaldo and Messi eating pizza in KFC. In ChatGPT and hit enter, you'll notice ChatGPT won't generate any images because it's against their policies to create AI images of real people. What we'll do instead is ask ChatGPT for alternative approaches and hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate a prompt that we can use with other image generator platforms. Since we're creating a story-based video, we'll ask ChatGPT to provide us with a step-by-step story. We'll give it a brief outline of the story we're looking for and hit enter. Look at how ChatGPT has provided us with all the prompts for each scene. We have 6 scenes now, so we have 6 different prompts for 6 different images. Step 2. Generate AI images with ideogram. Now our next step is to generate images from these prompts. For this, we'll be using an AI image generator platform called Ideogram. It provides 10 credits free of cost, and it costs 2 credits per prompt. I'll copy my first image prompt and paste it here. Then I'll change the aspect ratio to 9:16, click on Realistic, and hit Generate. Since we're using the free trial, it will take about 30 to 60 seconds. You can see it's showing us the completion progress, and at the end, our images are ready. Ideogram has generated 4 images, and we'll select the one that looks best. Then click on Download to save it. We'll move to the next prompt, copy and paste it into Ideogram, and click Generate again. This time it might take a bit longer than the previous one. Once our 4 new images are ready, we'll select the best one and download it. We'll repeat this process with all the other prompts. We'll copy each prompt, paste it in Ideogram, click on Generate, wait for the images, and download the best one. After 5 prompts, our free credits will be finished. If you want to continue using Ideogram for free, you can create accounts with different email addresses. Once we're done, all of our images will be ready. Step 3. Enhance image quality with Canva. The next step is to enhance the quality of the images. Since we use the free version of Ideogram, our images are of lower quality. To upscale the image quality, we'll use Canva. Open Canva and import all of your images. Now select the first one and drag it to the media section. Click on it and select Edit at the top. Scroll down and click on Image Upscaler. Here you need to select how much better quality you want: 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times. Click on your desired option and then click Upscale. It will begin upscaling your image. After upscaling, it will ask you to replace the original image. Click on it and replace it. Now click on the image and make it the background. Next, click on Share, then Download, and your high-quality image will be downloaded. We'll follow the same process with all the other images. First, drag the image to the media section, then click on Edit and navigate to Upscale Image. Select the image quality you want, then upscale. After that, replace the image, make it the background, and download it. We'll repeat this process for all our images. Once we've finished enhancing all the images, we'll move on to our next section. Step 4. Image to video. Our next step is to convert our images into videos. Currently, there are multiple tools available for creating videos from images such as Kling AI, Luma Labs, Hailu AI, Pika Art, and others, but for this tutorial, we will be using Hailu AI. Let's open Hailu AI. Provides us with 100 credits free of cost, and each image-to-video conversion costs 30 credits. You can see its simple interface here. Click on Create, and you'll see the Image to Video option. Now click on Upload Image. From here, you can upload directly from your gallery. Upload one of your enhanced images, and in the description add camera direction and paste your prompt script, then hit Generate. Since we're using the free version, it will take more than 30 minutes to generate each image-to-video conversion. We'll follow the same process for our other images. Upload each one, paste the corresponding prompts, and hit Generate. Hailu AI can process 3 image-to-video conversions at once. Again, as we're using the free version, after 3 image-to-video conversions, your credits will be finished. So we'll use the same trick again, having multiple Gmail accounts and using them to create new accounts if needed. Now let's wait for about an hour and we'll come back once our image-to-video conversions are generated. Okay, I'm back and look, all of our image-to-video conversions are ready. Let's click on each one and download it. We'll follow the same process for the other media and download all of them. Now we've downloaded all of our converted videos. So this step is also finished, and now we will head towards our next step. Step 5, Video Editing. Now moving towards our next step, which is video editing. Open CapCut and click on Import to bring in all of our media files that we want to edit to create our video. After importing, we'll drag each clip one by one to the media layers. We'll start with the first one, then add the second one, and continue with the rest in sequence. Since our clips are 6 seconds each, the total video would be too long. So we'll decrease the duration by speeding them up. Now our clip's duration is just right for our video. Let's check it. Yes, it looks good enough. Next, we'll add some effects to make our video more appealing and to avoid any copyright issues. I've selected the Leak 2 effect. I'll click on it to download, and once it's downloaded, I'll drag it to the top of the media layer above our main media and extend it to cover all the clips. Now let's add a filter to enhance the look. I'll select this one, click to download it, and then drag it to the media layer and extend it across all clips. To make the video transitions smooth, I'll add some transitions between the clips. I'll add each transition one by one, and now our transition work is also complete. Let's add some background music. Click to add music and then click to extract audio. But look, this feature requires the Pro version. Since we're using the free version, we need a workaround. I'll just drag the media to the side and trim the extra music from the video. Since at the end Ronaldo won in our story, I've added a Ronaldo celebration AI sound effect. Our video is now ready. Let's click on Export to save our final product. This is the final result of our video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Let's talk about how you can actually make money from these shorts. So buckle up and belt your seats. I'll be sharing not just 1 or 2, but multiple ways to monetize these videos across all platforms, including Instagram. First up is affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, let me break it down simply. You sell other people's or brands' products, and you earn a commission on each sale. You can add your affiliate links in your bio, or at the end of your video, you can say something like, if you love this video, you can buy a Messi logo shirt from the link in my bio. This works especially well when your content and the products are naturally aligned. Next, you can sell your own products. For this, you'll need to create an online store and redirect your audience there through Instagram stories or by mentioning it at the end of your videos. The key is to ensure your store sells products related to your content. If you're uploading football-related content, sell products related to football. Your audience is already interested in the topic, so they're more likely to purchase. Another effective method is promoting other creators or brands. You can add their videos in your story or collaborate with them, and they'll pay you for the exposure. As your following grows, more brands will be interested in working with you. You can also create a website focused on your content niche. For example, if you're uploading Ronaldo and Messi content, you can write news and articles about them on your website. Add the link to your bio, and visitors will check out your website. If your site is monetized with ads, you can earn money from Google AdSense. This same approach works whether you're uploading on YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. These are just a few of the many ways to monetize your content. If you want to learn even more methods, make sure to subscribe and comment method below this video. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to get more amazing content like this.